Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to deliver a confident and impressive speech on Republic Day in English? If yes, then you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to learn a beautiful, simple and meaningful speech in English on Republic Day. Republic Day is one of the most important national festivals of India, celebrated every year on 26th January. This speech is especially helpful for students, school functions, morning assemblies, and for anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills. So, listen carefully, practice with confidence, and let's begin this inspiring Republic Day speech in English together. Respected Chief Guest, honorable teachers, dear friends, and my fellow citizens, a very good morning to everyone. It fills my heart with pride to stand before you today as we celebrate this glorious day, our Republic Day. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of India with immense pride and patriotism. This day holds great importance in the history of our nation. Let us take a moment to remember that on 26 January 1950, our country adopted its constitution and became a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. This historic document laid the foundation of democracy in India and empowered its citizens to shape the future of the nation. On this day, we should not only celebrate but also remember our responsibilities as citizens of India. The Constitution gives us fundamental rights and duties and ensures justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity for all citizens. We must respect our Constitution, follow its principles, support one another, and work honestly for the progress of our country. Republic Day reminds us of the great leaders and freedom fighters like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many other brave heroes who sacrificed their lives for our freedom and for building a strong and independent nation. The Indian Constitution, the longest written constitution in the world, was drafted under the visionary leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen and gives us the freedom to live with dignity. India is a land of unity in diversity. People of different religions, languages, and cultures live together in peace. This unity is our great. Republic Day is not just a national holiday, it's a reminder of our duties and responsibilities as citizens of India. From science and technology to sports, education, and defense, India continues to make remarkable progress on the global stage. As the youth of this great nation, it's our responsibility to uphold the ideals of our constitution. We must be honest, disciplined, and respectful, and work hard for the development of our country. Let us pledge today to contribute positively to society and make India stronger, cleaner, and more inclusive. On this proud occasion, let's remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters and soldiers who dedicated their lives to our nation. Their courage inspires us to serve India with dedication and integrity. With this, I extend my heartfelt wishes to everyone on this proud occasion of Republic Day. Let us all say together, proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. So friends, this was a simple and powerful Republic Day speech in English. If this video helped you, hit the like button, comment Jai Hind, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and confident English learning. Keep practicing, keep shining, and always be proud of our nation. Thank you and Jai Hind.